Ram Narayan Ram. We have adopted the term Santan Dal because everyone living on this earth is a child of nature, a child of the sky. We all come from the sky. We have arrived in the lap of our mother, formed from our father's blood. Where does a father's blood come from? It is created from everything that nature provides us. It is from this that the blood in our bodies is formed. For the first 5 years of life, children remain with their mothers, who nurture them. In the same way, the earth nurtures us. We have grown and continue to grow by consuming what the earth provides. That is how we remain alive. Our bodies are formed from it. The sun provides us with energy and warmth, which are also essential for life. We are born from nature, sustained by nature. As long as we live, we will be dependent on nature. Nature never troubles us, which is why every aspect of nature can be considered a Santan Dal. We are all part of nature. We are all part of the earth. This is why our Guru has created a family of Santan Dal from all the groups of nature. Santan Dal means bringing everyone together. Our Guru has previously explained that Gauranga Mahaprabhu taught people about who the all-powerful being is. Whenever you see the idol of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, you will notice that both his hands are raised towards the sky. This signifies that he is calling out to the sky, chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, which means to take away and to uphold. On one side of the sky is Rama, and on the other is Krishna. The sky has always existed, it exists now, and it will continue to exist. No one created the sky created everything. The sky is complete. That is why Gauranga Mahaprabhu revealed to us that the name of the sky is Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, and every person on earth is named after this. There are millions of people named Krishna and just as many named Rama. However, not everyone can be Lord Rama or Lord Krishna, nor can anyone be the sky itself. On earth, both Rama and Krishna reside within everyone. Everything is a part of the sky, and everything has been born from the sky. Gauranga Mahaprabhu revealed 600 years ago that he would come 500 years later. And indeed, 105 years later, our Guru arrived. This was the rebirth of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. He was born into his own family, at his uncle's home. After his birth, Gauranga Mahaprabhu reflected, I came to this earth 500 years ago. Gauranga Mahaprabhu himself is Hari, who takes birth repeatedly. Everyone is born again and again. Our duty is to spread good dharma and karma and to serve everyone, which is what we are doing. This is why I consider myself a part of the Guru. With the help of the Guru and all of you, we are promoting the Vedas. Knowledge does not diminish by sharing. Everyone will receive knowledge, and all people will awaken. They will begin to think about themselves, realizing that they were born as God but have now become like demons. If we sincerely remember and call out to anyone, they manifest before us. It's also important to note that the earth, the soil, everything here is not as it once was 500 years ago. The people here are not the same. Explaining and awakening them is very difficult. People are engaged in wrongful acts on earth. No one is doing the right thing. Seeing all this, Gauranga Mahaprabhu left his body and returned. He contemplated and established principles. Then, the supreme energy entered his body and he ascended to the sky. If our willpower is strong, we can achieve anything we desire. Our Guru, who came to us, stayed for 76 years and then also ascended to the sky. The knowledge he imparted is what we share with everyone, our duty, our dharma, and our dedication. Our aim is to awaken every person and guide them onto the right path, creating one unified family.